Decoding crow communication, more than just caw. Ever wondered what crows are really saying when they caw? These intelligent birds have a complex language we are only beginning to understand. Let's dive into the fascinating world of crow communication. Crows use a variety of calls, not just the typical caw. These include rattles, clicks, and even song-like vocalizations. Each sound conveys different information, from warnings about predators to coordinating group activities. Just like humans, crows have regional dialects. A crow in New York might speak differently than one in California. Scientists are studying these variations to map crow communication across different areas. Crows also communicate through body language. Watch for puffed-up feathers indicating aggression, or bowing displays during courtship. Observing their posture can reveal a lot about their intentions. Crows are incredibly intelligent, capable of problem-solving and even using tools. Their complex communication reflects this intelligence, allowing them to share knowledge and cooperate effectively. Want to learn more about these amazing birds? Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts about the natural world. Share this video with your fellow nature enthusiasts and let us know in the comments what other bird species you'd like us to explore next.